Hey guys, it's me Abby and welcome to my channel once again. We have a guest star,
Mekayla.
as you know if you watched the first video. If you haven't, go back, exit out, watch that video, and then watch this video. So, this is our first DIY and we're going to be making paper airplanes. And yes, it is going to be fun. Hopefully. Alright. Okay, I think I remember how to make this. Okay, so you fold it like that. I don't know if you can see, but I just don't know how to explain it.
You fold it into like a triangle at the top. See? Take two and then match them together.
Slow down. Okay.
Then we bend it in half.
Yep. Whew, this is making me dehydrated. The fury of making and folding paper. Yeah. The dehydration of folding paper.
Wow.
Fierce. Rawr. Okay, slow down.
You should know how to make a dang paper airplane.
I do. I like to be precise. Don't mind lies. So the people in my airplane do not crash. I like to be precise. Excuse me.
At least my people are gonna fly.
Sorry, like the screen goes black, so I have to kind of touch it because it goes to sleep. Okay, is that right? No. I don't have to fold
You're
it.
just copying me.
No, like don't I have to fold it down?
Yeah, fold it again.
Like right
And
here?
that's like, yeah, so it goes like that.
How am I copying you? There's basically only one simple way to make one of these.
And then I think you go like that or something like that. So it makes it look cool or something.
Probably doesn't give it more.
Sure.
It probably doesn't give it more flight.
Don't copy that. I'm just gonna make mine weird.
Does mine look weird?
Whoa, no, that does not fly.
Okay,
Whoa.
I have a question. Does mine look weird?
Mine looks weird.
Like, isn't it supposed to be like spread out?
It's supposed to be like this. Oh, it flew. We're gonna go do this outside.
I'm not doing this outside.
Why not?
Let's do it inside. Okay, so now we're going to do an airplane race kind of thing. See who goes the farthest. Probably be me.
Sure.
Shorty.
Okay, so what?
Okay.
There's like a giraffe.
I'm not a giraffe.
Yes, you are.
I am not. Okay. Alright. Hold on, I'm filming here. Okay. So. Okay, let me stop. Okay, so. Yeah. Alright. So we're gonna. Okay. Alright. Hold on.
They can see you.
1, 2. Hold on.
Okay, yours landed on the thingy-mabobby. See? We're not cheating. It landed on the thingy-mabobby. Right next to the left. My laptop. It is. Where did it go?
I won! I won! Hers fell on the floor. I won. It is there. I won.
Oh.
I won.
No, you did not.
I
We're doing
won.
the same thing.
We're doing first run.
That's
No.
not fair.
Alright, I won.
Down.
I won the airplane race.
It fell on the ground.
I won the airplane race, fair and square. Okay, guys, I will see you in the next video series part. My bad. And I'll see you in part 3, and we're doing another DIY. So yeah, I look forward to seeing y'all there, and I'm super excited. But anyways, okay, so I have to sign off now. So I love you guys. Bye. Wait, no. Please subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.